What's going on, Flava Nation? We are here today and we're talking chowder.
Chowder heads.
That's right. So we did one today. This is one of my favorites to do. It's super easy, you know, one pot meal. And
So you open the can of Progresso New England clam chowder and dump it in? No?
Shh, you're not supposed to tell TV magic secrets. But no, we did fire roasted poblano chicken chowder today. So
Say that 5 times fast.
fire roasted, yeah, nope, not gonna do it. But I tried. But you know, this one heavy on the dirty gringo.
Yeah.
You know, because Southwest we're going at poblano. Dirty gringo all day
The
long.
DG and the Poblanos work, man.
That's it. Like, and then the double down, and people are like, "What? The double down?" And I'm just trying to get people to understand. This is a dehydrated compound butter.
Like butter.
Anywhere you want savory, delicious flavor, you got to throw that double down in there.
Yep.
You know, so what do all soups and chowders and sauces start with? Usually you got some fat in there. You got some herbs, some spices.
Yeah.
So we got it in double down. So let's use that stuff, all right? So we did that. You know, we got the cast iron Dutch oven.
Yep.
I mean, this is my preferred method of soup and chowder and
100%.
stuff. You know, you can do it in a crock pot too.
Sure.
You know, you can do it campfire if you got a cast iron lodge or something you want to put over coals. You know, go ahead and knock that out as well. But, you know, this one was really simple. We had some chicken thighs, deboned them, left the skin on, chopped it up, threw it in our cast iron there with a little bit of butter, and just roasted that skin, get some browning on the chicken, get that fat to break down.
Yep.
And the flavor from those chicken thighs.
And the fat. Yeah, I mean, fat is flavor.
Yeah,
So good.
you can't beat it. I mean, two flavorful guys sitting
right.
here. And then, you know, you sweat your aromatics. So we got the onion and the garlic in there. And I like to wait a little bit on those poblanos because I want that onion and garlic to really kind of sweat down and release what it's got going on and start to turn a little sweet. But poblanos, jalapenos, you know, adding all that stuff to the mix. And then the secret one, I think everyone misses on this one. So we diced up the corn tortillas.
Yeah.
You know, so those corn tortillas diced up in this soup, we put those in right after the aromatics with the butter, with that rendered chicken fat. And it does a couple things. It toasts that corn masa so you can get that toasted flavor in. And we did it before we add the chicken stock. You know, so we can really get that stuff blooming. Add that chicken stock, get it up and going, throw in a little bit of heavy cream, just to cream it slightly, and then the potatoes. So the potatoes are optional, obviously. You know, sometimes I do use corn instead, but it's cold out.
Yeah.
And I just want something a little heartier, so I threw those potatoes
Well,
in.
and, you know, the one pot chowders, stews, and all that stuff, there's a reason why you always find potatoes and root veg in them. And the real reason is to extend the meal, right?
Of course.
Is to fill the bellies,
Fill
you know.
the pot and fill the bellies.
Yeah, he left me with 400 children and the crops out in the field. I thought it was that for a long time. I had no idea it was 4 hungry children in the song. So once you got all that sweated down, it's all combined, you just leave it on the stove until you're ready to eat, basically.
Yeah, just put the lid on it. You know, we had it on medium for probably an hour and a half.
You're literally just cooking the potatoes through at that point.
Right. You know, and one of the things I like is that with these kind of chowders and stews is we'll eat it out of a bowl like this today, but you know, tomorrow, like I might bake off some cornbread and break open a cornbread muffin or a piece.
Shut your dirty mouth.
Yeah.
So you guys can see from the big reveal, it is gorgeous. Give
I
this
talk a
little
lot when
stir.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. Campbell's thick and hearty, got nothing on this. Get you I'm only giving you one scoop.
Oh, I see how it is. Well, just for that, I'm not waiting on you.
Gotta put some cilantro in it though.
And that nose that hits you right there. You know, so it did thicken up really nicely, but you smell that masa.
100%.
Like as soon as you get in there, You smell it. So a lot of times people like to pre-chop the cilantro, but for a soup like this, I like to just tear it fresh. Some nice cilantro right on there, and the fresh oil just floats. The potatoes, I cut them with my spoon, but they still got a little bit of a little bit of pushback. Nice little chunks of poblano. I'm telling you, there's not much better on a cold, cold day.
That is awesome. I like the cilantro. You need a little bright in there. That works for sure. This is phenomenal. I haven't even got a piece of chicken yet, and I don't even care. It's got some heat. Starts to build.
Yeah, if you're cold.
Yes.
You know, all we need now is like a really good rainstorm, and this will be perfect. Kick back.
All right.
Watch a movie.
You've seen how we did it. Now, let's tell them where to get it.
So, fantastic stuff. BarbecueProShop.com. You can get all this and more, along with, and that's a great thing, all the FA products, and he's got awesome accessories. So a lot of the stuff you saw us using, check him out, and fill your cart with all the good stuff.
Be sure to also follow Barbecue Pro Shop on social media at bbqprosshop.com, and don't forget to follow us as well at Flavor Anonymous. Right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're going to continue eating. We hope you make this soup, and if you don't, you are missing out. This is a winner. Catch you next time.
See you.